Hello, everyone. It's your girl Celeste, Celeste Daily, Celestial Goddess. I'm here to talk to you about a CBT method. Sometimes we get emotionally dysregulated and we need a way to regulate our emotions. This is my favorite way to regulate my emotions when I am thinking the worst or assuming something happened when it didn't. So I'm going to share with you guys. It's a CBT method, CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy. It's called a thought record. So what it is if you have a situation that happened, for example, your friend didn't text you back and she usually texts you back or he usually texts you back, or this can be with a relationship. He hasn't texted you back in a long time. Your automatic thought could be, they must be mad at me. And that can lead into an emotional mental spiral where you're like, they're mad at me, they hate me, things like that. I think some people can relate to this, right? So the situation is they didn't text you back. The emotion, what are you feeling? Is it fear? Is it anger? Is it anxiety? Write it down or notice it. And then on a scale of 0 to 100%, how strong do you feel that emotion? So like 90%. And then write down the thought that came to mind that made you think that, which is, they must be mad at me. And the then you write the evidence for or against what you think. So if you think they must be mad at me, challenge that thought. They didn't text you back. What if they're at work? So you can write down, they could be at work. They could be with family. They can be busy. After that, you write a thought that's opposite of the thought that you thought. Like, oh, they must be mad at me. You write the thought, they must be busy or they could be busy. I'll wait until tomorrow or until the evening to either text them again or whatever it is, or call them. I don't know, depending on the situation. Then you re-rate the emotion from 0 to 100 again and see if it decreased. And most likely it did decrease because you are challenging that thought. Sometimes we go into assuming mode where we think they must hate me, they want to break up with me, or something like that. And I've noticed this a lot in my personal life and just in general. Half of the time, or most of the time, we think something's about us when it's usually not about us. Either that person's busy or that person has a lot going on in their personal life or whatever it is. And I have found that a lot with myself in terms of I have been kind of MIA this year and I haven't really been like hanging out with the friends that I usually do or stuff like that. And so I've had friends reach out to me and ask me, are you mad at me? Do you not want to hang out with me anymore? And I'm like, honestly, no, like that's not it at all. I'm just been so busy or I'm going through a lot. And I realized that like a lot of the times we think it's about us, it's not. And I thought about the different times that I've thought that something was about me and it wasn't. So doing the thought record where you challenge the thought and you write down a new thought definitely helps with this. So I wanted to share with you guys how we can emotionally regulate ourselves a little bit more, especially going into the holiday season. So let me know if you guys are going to try it out and if it helps. And I'll be giving some more different ways to regulate your emotions in the future. Thank you guys for watching.